Yeah.
We attack the aliens. Ha! Now, have you clicked in my link? We're almost about to hit 200 subscribers. So you have to subscribe with this video because this video is a long time ago. We're about to hit 2,000 subscribers. Welcome to Play and Work. But this story is so long that I can't even cover it.
Really?
So I have to put this here.
What's this?
It's the box of the toy.
Oh.
It's super long.
What is this?
You can't see. Let it go. Dun, 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 dun.
Wow.
So, this is called the double looper. So there's an alien that we gotta attack. We gotta attack the alien, and then we gotta switch to mountain and mode. So this alien is not there, and the mountain is there. We gotta attack the mountain this time. But we gotta do that in the second round. So this cord over this comes with the placer. It can only work on this car. It can't work on any other car.
Hmm.
And then there's a shooter guy that's shooting the alien.
Oh.
But we have to fix
What is this?
the shooter guy. Shooter guy here that's shooting the alien. And there's a different shooter guy. There's also a different shooter guy. You put it like this, all of these, and there's a launcher. You don't know how to launch it. I'm going to tell you first about it. Okay, so there's two loops here. That makes it the double looper. And there's some straight tracks. There's a short track up here. And there's a booster track. And there's some thingies over here that I don't know. There's connector that is curved. But when it's actually really sturdy, it's really sturdy. I used some big tracks for these and it actually went so good. And I put some little tracks. I put a little track here, a little track here, and a big track here, a big track here, and a big track here. And there's a little shooter guy that's shooting the alien. We're gonna attack the alien. And then some stickers. It says launch, and it says as loop, and this says boost, and then this goes also loop, and then this says attack. And then I'm gonna shoot this. I'm gonna shoot the alien. I'm gonna shoot the alien. I'm gonna shoot the I'm gonna shoot the alien. You don't know how to do this.
No, I don't know.
What about this button?
Let's see.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Let me try again. We're gonna boost this all the way. Oh, it attacked the alien! Yay! So now it's the mountain. Now it's the mountain. It's a mountain. It's the mountain. The mountain's there. And then the shooter guy. Carefully. So the shooter guy is not there because he's not shooting the mountain.
Okay.
And we are attacking attacking the mountain. So you have to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 7. So I did it 7 times. So you should go this. Oh, you still don't know how to boost this? Why is there a thing over here? I don't know what to do with this thing.
I think we need to remove it.
Now we don't. Just press this little thing.
Okay, press it. Oops.
I thought it was calmer down. I thought it was. When we press it, it pulls down this and it moves.
Really?
Yes, with the rubber bands.
Ah, that's how it works.
And with the rubber bands that I see.
Yes.
I can also do.
Mm.
I can do that also. But I don't know how to do that. That's embarrassing.
Whoa!
I attacked the mountain now. I'm gonna actually switch it to control. You hold here and you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you do like that and the rubber bands come. The rubber bands are making it pull off and the rubber bands go back and see there's a tie here and then it resets it and then it makes the rubber band shorter and then it goes to the loop and goes to another loop and then hits the alien.
Whoa! That's how it works.
Yes, and so they're close to each other. So
Try again, the car. Oops, it almost made it.
we can try again, don't worry. You do it like that, pull a little, put it down. I think we can do it. What I think it was Ultra the entire time. Please switch it. Is it Ultra? Please subscribe and hit the bell button